Welcome. Let us explore how data is revolutionizing the media and entertainment landscape. Learn how data intelligence transforms content strategy, enabling better content recommendations, in-depth audience analytics, and digital media optimization. Let's discuss the key data sources that drive media intelligence. The first is user behavior data, which includes viewing patterns and duration, search queries and clicks, social media interactions, and device and platform usage. The second is content metadata, which comprises genre, cast and crew details, release dates and ratings, content tags and descriptions, and production metrics. These data sources are crucial for understanding user preferences and content performance. Dive into content recommendation systems. We have two primary methods. First, collaborative filtering recommends content based on user similarity and collective viewing patterns. Second, content-based filtering suggests content similar to what users have previously enjoyed, based on attributes. These methods enhance user engagement and content discovery. Let us look at a simple recommendation algorithm. This code snippet shows a collaborative filtering approach. The key steps are calculating user similarity using cosine similarity or Pearson correlation. The output is a ranked list of content recommendations based on similar user preferences. Now let's focus on audience analytics and its impact. Engagement metrics include watch time and completion rates, click-through rates, and social sharing patterns. Demographics cover age and geographic distribution, device preferences, and peak viewing times. These analytics provide a comprehensive view of audience behavior and preferences. Let us explore audience segmentation analysis with this code. The code uses k-means clustering from scikit-learn library to segment the audience. This groups users by viewing behavior and demographics. Segmentation enables targeted content delivery strategies, enhancing personalization. Now we will discuss digital media optimization. Performance optimization includes content delivery network or CDN distribution strategies, adaptive bitrate streaming, and cache optimization. Revenue optimization covers ad placement strategies, subscription pricing models, and content monetization. These optimizations enhance user experience and revenue generation. Let's delve into A/B testing for content optimization. Statistical testing validates content performance improvements with confidence. Optimization impact measures engagement lift and conversion improvements. By analyzing statistical significance, it is easier to figure out content performance. Let us understand the real-time analytics pipeline. Data ingestion involves streaming user interactions and viewing events in real time. Processing transforms and aggregates metrics for immediate insights. Visualization generates live dashboards for content teams. The technology stack includes Apache Kafka, Apache Spark, Redis, Elasticsearch, and Grafana. Here are the key takeaways. Transform user behavior into actionable content strategies through data-driven decisions. Drive continuous improvement through live analytics and testing with real-time optimization. The success formula is smart recommendations plus audience insights plus performance optimization, which enhances user experience. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.